let's take this beat up dresser that I got off Facebook and put a little bit of life back into it. First things first though, let's get all the hardware removed. And I definitely need my helper with me. After all that's done, time for the grueling part. I'm starting off with some 80 grit sandpaper to get all the old stain and paint removed. I'll go back over it with some 120 and some 220 to get everything nice and buttery smooth. This dresser is going to end up being for my daughter, and not some kind of flip the furniture for money kind of video. But I do think it was good practice for a project like that in the future. So if that's something that you want to learn how to do along with me, let me know in the comments. I really enjoyed this and I think it could be a lot of fun to try to make a little bit of money from it. After all the sanding was wrapped up, next step was painting. My wife really liked the look of the brown over the white, so that's what we ended up going with again. Although this part was simple enough, and it didn't totally change the look of the dresser from how I got it, it was nice to give this piece a little refresh. I ended up painting about 3 coats over every surface. That way I could get the whitest white and the brownest brown that I could. Since this dresser is for one of my kiddos, I wanted to make sure and protect it as well as possible. So I sprayed a couple coats of polyurethane over the top. And finally, it was time to reinstall everything, including these new drawer pulls. Who doesn't like a good looking bow? Once I wrapped up in the garage, it was time to give this dresser a new home, and some clothes to fill it with. Let me know what you think. Should I do more videos like this? What would you have done differently? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.